Hello. Today I would like to talk about Thomas Edison, one of the most influential inventors in history, whose work transformed industries and improved everyday life. His inventions, such as the light bulb and phonograph, continue to impact our world today. Let's know it. Thomas Edison was an American inventor, scientist, and businessman who is widely recognized for his groundbreaking work in electrical power, communication, and entertainment. He was born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio, to Samuel and Nancy Edison. Edison was the youngest of 7 children and had a relatively humble upbringing. His formal education was limited. He attended school for only a few months before being largely self-taught. At an early age, Edison became fascinated with science and technology. He began conducting experiments and building small inventions as a child, sparking a lifelong passion for innovation. Edison's first job was as a telegraph operator, which exposed him to electrical technology. His work as a telegraph operator would later influence many of his later inventions, particularly in communication. In 1868, at the age of 21, Edison moved to New York City and began working on electrical experiments. During this time, he developed a method for recording telegraph messages, which he patented in 1869. By the early 1870s, Edison had established his first laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey. It was here that Edison would go on to invent some of his most famous creations. One of his earliest and most significant inventions was the phonograph, developed in 1877. The phonograph was the first device capable of both recording and playing back sound, earning Edison worldwide recognition. The invention of the phonograph opened up new possibilities for the entertainment and music industries. Edison's success with the phonograph was followed by his development of the incandescent light bulb in 1879. The light bulb was a revolutionary invention that transformed the way people lived and worked, making nighttime activity possible for millions. Edison's work on the incandescent light bulb led him to develop a complete electrical system for generating and distributing power. In 1882, he opened the first commercial electric power station in New York City, providing electricity to customers and marking the beginning of the modern electrical age. This marked the start of Edison's significant role in the development of electric power distribution, laying the groundwork. Throughout his career, Edison patented over 1,000 inventions, contributing to fields as diverse as communications, electric power, and motion pictures. His inventions were often the result of collaboration with his team of engineers and scientists working in his various laboratories. In 1888, Edison invented the first practical electric motor. This motor would have a major impact on industry and transportation, providing the foundation for the widespread use of electricity in machinery. In 1891, Edison invented the kinetoscope, a device for viewing moving pictures, which was an important precursor to modern cinema. This invention contributed to the birth of the motion picture industry and revolutionized entertainment worldwide. Edison's contributions to the development of the motion picture industry did not stop with the kinetoscope. He also helped establish the first motion picture studio, known as the Black Maria Studio, where many of the earliest films were produced. Despite his many successes, Edison was not without his controversies. One of the most notable controversies was his rivalry with Nikola Tesla, who worked for Edison before going on to develop his own system of alternating current AC electricity. Edison was a strong advocate for direct current DC electricity and engaged in a highly publicized battle with Tesla over which system should be adopted for electrical power distribution. Despite Edison's efforts, Tesla's alternating current ultimately became the dominant standard. In the 1890s, Edison continued to focus on electrical power and communications, working to improve the efficiency and safety of electrical systems. He developed a system for electrical power transmission that was used in the first power stations around the world. In 1912, Edison helped form the Edison General Electric Company, which eventually merged to become General Electric, GE, a multinational conglomerate. This company continues to be one of the world's leading producers of electrical equipment and appliances. Throughout his life, Edison was a highly driven and ambitious individual, known for his work ethic and dedication to invention. His famous quote, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration," reflects his belief in the power of hard work and perseverance. Edison was also a prolific businessman, founding numerous companies to commercialize his inventions. Despite facing financial challenges at times, his ability to bring innovations to the market allowed him to achieve lasting success. In 1914, Edison's laboratory in Menlo Park was destroyed by fire, but he quickly rebuilt and continued his work. By this time, he had already achieved worldwide recognition and had made a significant impact on society through his inventions. In his later years, Edison focused on inventing new products and technologies, particularly in the fields of radio and electric power. His work in these areas laid the foundation for future advancements in both telecommunications and energy. Edison died on October 18, 1931, at the age of 84, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape the world today. He is remembered as one of the most influential inventors in history, with his contributions affecting nearly every aspect of modern life. Throughout his lifetime, Edison received numerous awards and honors for his inventions and achievements. He was awarded over 1,000 patents, making him one of the most prolific inventors in history. One of his most significant legacies is the establishment of the first research and development laboratory in Menlo Park. His focus on systematic experimentation and teamwork set the stage for modern innovation processes. Edison's name remains synonymous with innovation, creativity, and perseverance. He is often referred to as the Wizard of Menlo Park due to his groundbreaking work in creating new technologies. Today, his inventions continue to influence industries ranging from telecommunications to electric power. Edison's work has had a lasting impact on modern technology, making the world a more connected and efficient place. The light bulb, one of his most famous inventions, is still in use around the world today in various forms and technologies. Likewise, the phonograph and motion pictures remain central to the entertainment industry. In recognition of his immense contributions to society, many institutions, schools, and buildings are named in his honor. The Thomas Edison National Historical Park in New Jersey preserves his laboratory and home as a tribute to his work. Edison's story serves as an inspiring example of what can be achieved through hard work, determination, and creativity. He showed the world that innovation is not just about having great ideas, but also about putting in the effort to turn those ideas into reality. Thomas Edison's legacy lives on in the everyday technologies that shape modern life. He remains one of the most important figures in history, remembered for changing the world through his inventions and visionary thinking.